Hi guys, I've been trying to get friendly with this camera, but I don't know why this camera won't get friendly with me. So as we are into getting friendly with the camera, my name is Odigo from Nigerian Wedding Diary, and I'm going to be telling you guys how you're going to have a fun bridal shower. I've been to a lot of bridal shower. It's the same thing, the same story. Stay on the bed, take pictures, eat cake, no fun. But I'm here to put you guys out of that misery, because I know that someone right now is actually planning on doing the same thing, but you don't have to. I'm going to be telling you guys how you will spice up your bridal shower. You don't need to throw a party. You can be in a one room, you can be in an apartment and still have a memorable bridal shower with your friends. So if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed, yes, you press the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get my next post, and don't forget to like and leave a comment below. So let's get into it.
Things to do to spice up your bridal shower and make it fun and memorable. 1, you can do a game called kitchen memory game. In kitchen memory game, the bride-to-be will tie an apron, then she will pin some kitchen tools to the apron. She would then take a walk around the room for like 30 seconds. Then afterwards, she would take the apron off. Then her guests, her bridesmaids, will now jot down all the items that were on it. The person that jots down the right item is the winner of the game. 2, toilet paper design contest. In this toilet paper design contest game, you have to divide everyone into a team and then take a model out from each of the team. Then the rest of the team members have to create a wedding gown to dress her up using a roll of toilet paper. Then the bride will now award or pick the best dress. 3, guess the dress contest. In this guess the dress contest, the number one question on guests' minds when it comes to wedding is, what will the bride be wearing? Challenge them to design what they envision for the bride's gown. You can distribute an art supply for them to sketch and award a prize to the artists who render the closest to the actual dress. 4, who said it game. In this who said it game, you will create a top 10 list of quotes and have your attendees guess whether the bride or the groom said each one. Then you award a prize to anyone that got the answer. Number 5 is guess how old game. In this guess how old game, you display a college board with photos of the bride throughout the years and have guests guess how old she was in each of the snapshots. You place some pictures of maybe when you're about 2 years old, 5 years old, 10, 12, 15, and then let your guests guess how old you were in the snapshots. Number 6, collect recipes. Every guest has their own signature dish. Every guest has a special tips, a direction or ingredients they use for their dishes. So you will have to create a printed card and have every one of your guests write down their special dish and how to prepare it. You can make it easier by adding ingredients, direction and special tips so that it will be easier to read. Number 7, treasured memories. At this shower, guests should be asked to jot down their favorite memory with the bride. The hard times, the good times, every memory they would never forget in their entire life about the bride. They have to jot it down and then give it to the bride-to-be to read it out. Number 8, crowdsource marriage advice. You have to create a DIY, which means do it yourself. You have to create a DIY print card where guests can fill out their marriage advice for the bride and groom. It's going to be very, very fun. It's going to be mad fun. Number 9, emoji Pictionary. In this emoji Pictionary, you have to create a print card of emojis. Then you now share it to your guests. In every emoji, they should write the meaning. They should write the meaning of every emoji. Anybody that got it right is the winner. So if you can get a print card, you can create some emojis and now give to them for them to figure out the meaning of it. Number 10, words in the purse game. Play words in your purse to see who carries the most random things in their bag. Create or purchase game cards, awarding points to different categories. Whoever has the most points wins.